Hey everybody, Caleb with Dakota Line Snares and Wiebe Knives. Today we're in the fur shed. Figured I'd show you how to skin a coon. I've got the coon up on a Wiebe gambrel today. We've actually got my favorite knife. It's the Wiebe Red Fox. Comes in a sheath with 24 replacement blades. It is a top engage knife, so I like that. It's a little bit safer than a bottom engage. It's a soft grip handle, and it's got the Wiebe Wicked blades on it. Very sharp knife. Great all-around knife for running around in the pickup, in the fur shed. It can do about whatever you need it to do, wherever you need it. All right, so the first thing I'll do is I'll use this Wiebe zipper to open it up. I'm gonna do that money cut. This zipper is awesome for this. So you actually get the blade underneath the fur there, so you don't dull down the blade like you would with a regular knife. Then I'm gonna open up around the legs, which I actually use the zipper for this as well. So open up both legs, do the same on this leg. And then before I get that leg back up, I like to open it up and peel it right now. Just a little bit easier to get at it before you get that coon up. And now I'll take this guy on the Wiebe gambrel, flip him up, get him locked in. Now I'm ready to move on to the next step. All right, we're gonna peel this other leg down now. We'll get that down to the same side. Peel down some of that belly. Actually grab the Red Fox here and cut that open a little bit, peel it down. Now we'll spin around and we're gonna work on the back side here. I'll open up that vent with the Wiebe knife here. We'll just kind of peel some of that back. Do a little bit of handwork here to get that tailbone out. Actually pop my finger through the bottom side here. And I'll just give it a little bit of a pull to expose that tailbone. And then a little trick I do, I like to take the knife and cut a little bit of a groove, kind of gets some of that fat away. And then you'll grab your tail stripper. And one thing I've learned is keep a hand on the tailbone there, otherwise you can rip them right out of the body. But you'll grab that, just give it a good firm pull. That tailbone pops out. Then you can actually grab that Wiebe zipper. If you want to open up your tails right here, you can grab that guy, hook it on there, and open them up that way. Otherwise, some people like to save it till the end. All right, next we're going to lower this coon down and clamp it in, and then we're going to pull this thing all the way down to the front legs. We'll clamp in one side, clamp in the other, and if you didn't have a skinning machine, this is where you just manually pull it down to the front legs. So we'll slowly start running this thing up, take our time, make sure not to rip it open. Now we're getting close to those front legs. And right now is where those front legs are starting to pop out, so we'll move around to the other side. All right, next we'll do these front legs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna punch our finger through and then just grab that, work the skin down a little ways. You don't need to go too far. The front legs don't matter that much. And take that Wiebe Red Fox again, open it up. That'll expose that front foot. That one's out, now we'll go to the other side. Same thing, we're gonna open that up. That front leg should pop right through. All right, next we're moving on to the head. We're gonna do a little machine work to get it down to the ears. All right, we'll grab our Red Fox. Just start doing a little knife work to loosen up that skin, moving down to the ears. Don't forget about the back jaw there. Add a little more tension again. And now we're getting right to the ears here. You can actually see right there, it's ear cartilage right there. So what you're gonna do is push down, open that ear up. Same thing, should be about the same spot on the other side, open that ear. Now I'll move down to the eyes. Now I like to hook my finger in the ear here. It gives you a little bit of leverage pulling down. And that exposes an eye right there. They open that guy up. And this Wiebe red fox, these red fox blades are the wicked sharp blades. They make this so much easier with a sharp knife, getting accurate cuts. So now I've got both eyes open there, and I'll move down to the nose. So there, that back jaw normally just pops off. Last thing we'll do is we got that nose right there. We'll just trim that off and we're done. We're all done here. That goes to show you how easy it is to skin these animals out with the Wiebe products. Again, that was the Red Fox and the Wiebe Zipper by Dakota Line and Wiebe Knives. Thanks for watching.